Hey folks, I have a Samsung Range, but as you can see, the clock is no good on it, or display, whatever you want to call it. So I bought a new one, which was pretty inexpensive, off of eBay. So let's put it on in. First thing I'm going to do is go down in the basement and turn off the breaker so I don't get electrocuted. Alright, time to slide it out. One obstacle I have is the island right here. It's kind of in the way, but I'll do the best I can to get it out of there. And as you can see, the display is no longer on because I turned off the breaker. Let's see how I do here. Got a mat right here in my way. Let's move that out. See how good I can slide this out. Alright, I think I should have enough room to get behind there. And I do. So let me move you over this way. See what kind of view we can get from the other side. Alright, this is the best view I can give you, I believe. See if I can straighten you up a hair. Alright. Looks like we got a few Phillips screws here. Trying not to get in your way, hopefully I'm not. Take this back cover off. Alright. Now we have to get the circuit board off. There's a Phillips screw there and a Phillips screw over here. Oh, actually, we don't need to take that off. We need to take just the circuit board itself off. Sometimes you gotta watch out for the capacitors. They can hold some energy, and if you hit them, you get shocked a little bit. Now there's two little tabs. You probably won't be able to see it, but three little tabs. Push those up, and you can get this out of the way. And the display is under there. I'll buy some clips. Let me see if I can get you a better view. I might have to bring you over here myself. See, there's our display. Here's the replacement that we'll be putting in there. I believe there's a clip under here. There's a clip on the bottom of that display. There we go. See? Now we got a little more room here. There's a ribbon cable over here. believe you just pull up on the fastener. There we go. Just released. You gotta pull back on this and it releases it. Now that I got that out of the way, I can flip the board over. Now these clips. There's little clips right here. To hold it on, you gotta be real careful. Those want to break. They're brittle. I'll try and take it gently on there. I'm gonna put you back over here. You might not be able to see as good. But we'll get you back over here while I work on these. I'm just putting slight pressure with one screwdriver. Just gonna try and get that clip down just a little bit. There we go. That one's loosened up. There we go. Came off. There's the old one. And get the new one in. I think I'll get it off first. All right. All right, that clipped in. Let's bring this up a little bit. I know you can't see that good. Gonna clip that wire back in. Okay, that's in good. I'm gonna flip my circuit board in there. All right. We need our two little black screws to hold the circuit board in place. See if we can get our ribbon cable back in there. And just put some pressure on it and then slide that into place. Now, I think we're all set. Put our back cover on. Everything looks good. All right, that looks good. All right. So get all the screws in first before we tighten them up. Just in case we need to move stuff around a little bit. All right. All right, now I'm gonna go turn the breaker back on and we'll see how it looks. There it is, I got it back in. Let's set the clock. Seems to be a lot brighter. 3:09. And it's actually 3:09 p.m. That's it. It's all back to normal. Thanks for watching.